Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best fabric cutters on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Cricut Explore Air 2. Faux leather, specialty paper, poster board, and adhesive foils are some of them over 100 materials that can be cut by this Cricut fabric cutter. This cutter also has embedded Bluetooth to facilitate wireless cutting. This is very convenient. It also gives you access to Cricut's design software called Design Space. This software enables you to make designs from any location. This cutter also gives you the option of either uploading your own designs or choosing one from its library. The Cricut Explore Air 2 allows you to create designs from your computer, tablet or Android using the Cricut Design app. It also comes with a dual clamp that holds a blade and another accessory such as a pen. This allows you to multitask effectively. This arrangement allows you to cut and write up to 2 times faster. Pros: precise cuts. Able to cut over 100 materials. You get to make designs from anywhere. Cons: it's not able to cut fabric thicker than 12 inches wide. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cricut Maker. The Cricut Maker is the most recent upgrade of the Cricut Explore Air 2. It comes with an expandable suite of tools that adapt to your growing needs. It's known to be the best Cricut machine to date. While its rotary blade can cut through any type of fabric without the need of backing material, its knife blade easily slices through heavy material. This is due to the rotary blade's gliding and rolling actions and the extra depth of the knife blade. Still on this machine's tools, I just can't fail to mention the scoring wheel and double scoring wheel. These tools flawlessly deliver deep sharp score lines in a variety of materials. Moreover, the Cricut Maker comes with hundreds of digital sewing parts that make sewing and quilting considerably simpler. The fact that it comes with design apps that let you create a design on your computer or phone is yet another reason people love this machine. Alternatively, you can upload your own images and fonts. Pros: has powerful blades. Has a futuristic design. Automatically detects when you are using the wrong blade. Produces professional cuts quickly and accurately. Comes with Bluetooth connectivity. Cons: has limited cutting space. The knife blade is sold separately. The design software is web-based, it can't be used offline. Number 3. Our third best pick is Brother's ScanNCut electronic cutting machine. Consisting of German blades and a unique Japanese design, this machine is mostly used for cutting shapes for fabrics. It comes with a 5-inch LCD screen. This represents a 30% increase from the screen size of the original version. This cutter also comes with wireless connectivity and PC adaptability, making it very convenient. This Brother cutting machine requires neither cartridges nor dies. It is a scan and cut machine that allows you to scan any drawings or patterns you want and customize pattern designs for yourself. It comes with a 600 dpi scanner specifically for this purpose. This scanning system comes with RGB recognition. There is also a web application to help out with this process. This digital cutting machine also comes with 682 inbuilt designs and 9 fonts. This removes the need for you to pay for any subscriptions while enabling you to come up with unique personal designs. Pros: wireless network connectivity. Can be connected to a PC. No need for cartridges and dies. Cons: steep learning curve. Only 1 ply of fabric is cut at a time. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is AccuQuilt Ready, Set, Go! Ultimate Fabric Cutting System. This fabric cutter set is generally a quilter's dream come true. This set usually contains the AccuQuilt Go! Fabric Cutter, Go! Cube 8-inch Mix and Amp, Match Block, Go! Strip cutter 2.5 inch, 2-inch finished, a cutting mat, a pattern book, fabric and thread, and a quick start guide. It also has an easy-to-use design that reduces arm and hand strain. Additionally, this AccuQuilt Go fabric cutter has a built-in carrying case and cuts fabrics 90% faster than scissors or rotary tools. The icing on the cake, however, is that it can cut up to 6 layers of fabric at a time, making it extremely efficient. This kind of accuracy is remarkable. Pros: fast and accurate cutting. It's easy to use. Portable and easy to carry. It comes with unlimited design options. Cons: limited dies included in the set. It does not accept other types of dies. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Sizzix Big Shot Pro Cutting Machine. This fabric die cutter is heavier than most. This is because it is made from industrial materials. It has a 13 inches opening and accepts all types of materials ranging from foam to cardstock. It comes with 0.10 mm mylar shims, a cutting pad, a crease pad and an adapter pad. The Sizzix Big Shot Pro Cutting/Embossing Machine is adaptable in that it can use a large variety of dies, including AccuQuilt Studio dies. Custom dies are also available for this machine. This cutter is also highly accurate and can cut up to 8 layers of fabric at a time. This helps you save time that you could use to come up with new designs. The Sizzix cutting machine is known for its precise and sharp cuts. Pros: it accepts a variety of dies. It is compatible with every design from Sizzix and Ellison. Improved fabric cutting due to the large bed. Cons: it is heavy. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.